To deduct a credit from a payment, go to the Finance menu and select Accounts Receivable. After finalizing the customer's billing and issuing the invoice, click the blue Receive button. On the right side of the invoice, click Select Invoice. The system will automatically display the registered details for that invoice. You can also edit the receipt date if the payment is retroactive. Next, at the bottom of the screen, click Deduct from Credit. If the available credit is higher than the invoice amount, simply click one of the two buttons to confirm the receipt. In this example, I will select 2 invoices, making the total amount due greater than the customer's available credit. After selecting the second invoice, the system will automatically distribute the amounts. Just confirm the values and the payment method for both, then finalize the receipt. The blue button confirms the receipt. The green button confirms the payment and prints the receipt.